Lexi is playing with an avocado. And I think she's winning. Where's the avocado, Lexi? Where is it? Where is it?
Maybe that's what she did with this avocado. She picks it up by the stem, then she drops it, rolls it on the floor, and goes to bed. Where's the baby?
Oh, Eddie.
Where's the baby?
Got by the oil.
What? Oh.
She's playing with that avocado. Watch this. Watch this. Lexi!
A black one with a
Get it,
yellow on it?
Lexi, get it.
No, I don't
Get
think
it.
the other way around. You got
Get it.
She's gonna drop it on the floor.
No, she's eating.
Watch, watch, watch.
Right. You eat it.
Lexi, what are you doing to that poor avocado? Are you eating the avocado?
I know the dogs, all the dogs outside love them.
It is bright.
Yeah, I mean,
Lexi,
yeah, you tried it.
are you eating
The big circle?
the avocado, little girl?
That circle hit.
You are.
You imagine that part?
Lexi.
Unbearable.
Uh-oh, what are you gonna do now?
Night, that big pine tree.
Whoa! There it goes.
You want to do your shirt? No, I might take off. Tires. There.
Get it, Lexi. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it. You keep dropping everything on the floor. Come here, Lex. What? Lexi, come here. Let me help you down. Come here. Come here, little girl. Aren't you cute? Aren't you the cutest little thing?